This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious guacamole. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 3 to 4 ripe avocados, 1 small red onion, 1/2 cup of fresh cilantro, and 1 to 2 jalapeno peppers. Don't forget the juice of 1 to 2 limes and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. These fresh components are key to achieving that vibrant, authentic flavor we all love. Now, let's get to the preparation. Carefully have your 3 or 4 ripe avocados and remove the pits. Scoop the creamy green flesh into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Using a fork or a potato masher, gently mash the avocado to your desired consistency. Some prefer it chunky, while others like it smoother. Next, finely dice your small red onion, chop your 1/2 cup of cilantro, and mince your 1 or 2 jalapeno peppers. With your avocado mashed, it's time to combine all those wonderful flavors. Add your finely diced red onion, chopped cilantro, and minced jalapeno peppers to the bowl. Squeeze in the fresh juice from 1/2 to 1 whole lime. This adds brightness and helps prevent browning. Sprinkle in about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, then gently fold all the ingredients together until they are thoroughly combined. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Your delicious homemade guacamole is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips, fresh vegetables, or as a topping for tacos and burritos. For the absolute best flavor, try to consume it within a few hours of making it. If you have any leftovers, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the guacamole to prevent air exposure, then refrigerate in an airtight container for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.